Hello guys, welcome back to Chris Family. I'm gonna show you all how do you all insert a video in PowerPoint 2013, 2016 and Microsoft 365. PowerPoint 365. It's all the same method, so y'all can follow along with any of the features. Hello guys, my name is Ume. Welcome back to Chrissy Family. Like I said in the intro, I'm gonna show y'all how do y'all add a video. I'm going to show you all how to add a video in PowerPoint 2013, 16 and 365. I'm using PowerPoint 2013. You just have to go for the insert. From the files area, you can see media. I'll click video. You can add an online video. You can add a video from my PC. I'll click my PC and take this video right over here. I'll just click this video right over here and then I'll click insert. After a while the video will come. It's actually quite cool. I can click this to click, and that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and bye.